Good afternoon, my dear students. Kamusta naman yung Holy Week nyo?
Ayos lang po.
Okay
Naramdaman nyo
lang
ba yung
po.
presensya ng Panginoon?
Yes, sir.
Yes
O
po.
naman nag-beach lang kayo?
Sakto lang po.
You ha? So, before we start our discussion, will Jeff lead the prayer?
Sige po, sir. Lord, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng blessings na natatanggap. Sana po is marami po kaming matutunan. Amen.
Amen. So, Angeline, pwede mo bang i-check sa mga kaklase mo kung sinong absent?
Wala po, sir.
Maraming salamat, Angeline. So, before we start our discussion, let's have a recap. So, ano kaya yung lesson natin last meeting? Can you please answer, Karil?
Sir, bandaging po.
Nice try. Ikaw naman, Angeline.
Sir, sa pagkatanda ko po last meeting is about first aid kit po.
Ayan, malapit na. Ikaw naman ulit, Karil.
Sir, it's all about po first aid kit and essential.
Ayan, very good. So, our last discussion rather, is all about first aid kit essentials. So, can you explain well-stocked first aid kit essentials? Karil?
A well-stocked first aid kit should include essentials for treating minor injuries and responding to emergencies.
Yan, very good. So, before we start our discussion, let's have a game. Ayan. Ang game po natin ay Guess the Word. Ayan. So, wait lang ha. Ayan. So, ang game natin ay huhulaan nyo yung dalawang pictures at pagkasamahin nyo yon. At bubuo kayo ng word. Okay, let's start. What do you think the picture is?
Ano yan? Virus?
Ayan. Kumuha muna kayo ng papel nyo. Or sa chat box na lang tayo magsagot. So, this is our first picture. Ayan. And the second picture,
Ano yan?
Heat stroke po.
yan, tama. Sa pangatlo, ayan. Susunod ulit. Nakakasagot ba kayo?
Disgrasya.
Ito. Ang makakuha ng 5 tamang sagot ay may prize sa akin. Ayan. So, ito yung mga sagot. Tama ba kayo?
Muscle tear. Kala ko muscle pain. Motor accident.
Ayan, mukhang tama naman kayo. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa game natin?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes po.
pumunta na tayo sa discussion natin. So, our topic for today is basic first aid. So, what is the basic first aid ba? Can you read, Jeff?
First aid. It is the immediate immediate care given to an injured or ill person before professional medical help arrives. It includes life-saving actions like CPR, stopping bleeding, treating burns, and handling fractures to prevent the condition from worsening and promote recovery.
Ayan. Sa iyong sariling um, palagay. So, can you explain first aid, Angeline?
Paunang lunas, sir.
Yan, tama. Very good. So, there are objectives of first aid. First one, can you please read Karil?
Preserve life. Provide immediate care to prevent death, such as CPR for someone who is not breathing.
Very good. So, one objectives of first aid is preserve life. Siyempre, kapag mag-first aid tayo, hindi naman pwedeng mas mapalala natin yung aksidente. So, the first objectives is preserve life. The next one is, may you please read, Jeff?
Prevent further injuries. Stop the condition from worsening by immobilizing fractures or controlling bleeding.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Jeff. So, the second one is prevent further injuries. As a basic first aider, hindi naman pwede na mas mapalala natin yung sitwasyon. So, second objectives of basic first aid is to stop the condition from worsening. Kailangan sa ating pagpa-first aid is comfortable yung patient natin. Kumbaga, pakakalmahin natin sila. So, the next one is, can you please read, Karil?
Relieve pain. Reduce discomfort using bandages, cold packs, or pain relievers.
Ayan. For example, um, may sugat yung patient mo or may burn, may sunog. So, ang una mong gagawin is, kailangan mo may cold packs, di ba? Siyempre, para hindi na lumala yung sugat niya. So, by relieving pain, yung patient natin is parang maiibsan yung sakit na nararamdaman niya. Next one. Can you please read, Jeff?
Protect the unconscious. Ensure an open area, proper breathing and circulation or the ADC to sustain life.
Ayan, thank you. So, an example of this is yung patient nyo kunyari is may heat stroke or nag-heat stroke, may signs ng heat stroke. So, one signs of heat stroke kasi is unconsciousness. So, as a first aider, ang una mong gagawin ay to ensure an open airway. So, dapat nakakahinga sila. Dapat ipupunta nyo siya sa may comfortable sila para hindi pa mapalala yung sitwasyon. So, next one is the characteristics of a good first aider. Can you please read, Angeline?
Gentle. A first aider must handle the injured person with care, avoiding unnecessary pain or discomfort while administering aid. Rough handling can worsen the injury.
Yan, thank you, Angeline. Siyempre, as a first aider ulit, um, dapat gentle tayo. Um, hindi tayo pwedeng nagmamadali. Or I mean, pwede tayong madali, pero dapat dahan-dahanan natin yung patient natin. Baka kasi konting galawin natin, mas lalong mapalala yung sitwasyon. Next one. Can you please read, Jeff? Ayan. Jeff, andyan ka pa ba, anak?
Yes, sir. Sir, maingay po eh.
Okay lang yun, anak.
So, resourceful. A good first aider make the best use of available materials and surroundings to provide effective care even when proper medical supplies are limited.
Ayan. Thank you, Jeff. So, a good first aider daw needs to be resourceful. So, for example, nasa gubat kayo, nasugatan yung kasama mo. So, what will you do? So, maghahanap ka sa surroundings mo. sa surroundings mo kung ano yung pwedeng makatulong. For example, meron kayong white clean cloth. Pwede nyo itali yun sa sugat ng iyong kasama. So, the next one is, ayan. Can you please read, Angeline?
Next one is observant. Quick assessment of the situation and the patient's condition is crucial. A first aider must notice symptoms, changes in breathing, or signs of distress to provide appropriate treatment.
Ayan. Thank you, Angeline. So, a good first aider needs to be observant. So, kailangan meron silang mabilis na desisyon para maisalba pa yung pasyente. Siyempre, di ba nga, ang first aid is, ang una is, um, provide longevity of life, di ba? So, next one is, can you please read, Karil?
Tactful. A first aider should communicate instructions and reassurance in a calm, respectful, and confident manner to avoid accusing panic or fear in the patient and bystanders.
Ayan, thank you, Karil. So, a first aider needs to be tactful. Siyempre, dapat sobrang kalmado. Hindi na pwedeng magdagdag ng more tense sa pasyente at sa mga bystanders. Ikaw dapat yung pinakakalmado dyan. So, the next one is, ayan. Can you please read, Angeline?
Understanding and showing compassion towards the injured person helps comfort them and reduces their stress or anxiety. A kind and reassuring approach can improve the patient's mental state.
Ayan. Thank you, Angeline. So, being empathetic provides confidence sa may patients. Siyempre, kapag confident ka, parang ma-reassure ng pasyente na safe na siya. So, the next one is, can you please read, Jeff?
Respectable. A first aider should act professionally and earn the trust of the injured person and those around them. Their behavior should inspire confidence in their ability to provide effective care.
Ayan. Thank you, Jeff. Um, Isang example niyan, di ba, dito sa Pilipinas, kapag mahirap ka, kahit may sakit ka na or malapit ka ng, ayan, alam nyo na yon, hindi ka rirespetuhin kasi nga wala kang pera. So, a good first aider needs to be respectable. So, dapat respectful ka sa lahat ng tao regardless of their social status. Ayan. So, for a recap in this lesson, can you please give examples of a good first aider? Yes, Angeline?
Gentle sir.
Ayan, very good. Um, how about you, Karil? Can you give the definition of first aid?
Um, Sir, first aid is immediate care given to an injured or ill person before professional medical help arrives.
Ayan, thank you, Karil. How about you, Jeff? Can you give the objectives of first aid? Give one.
I forgot, sir.
Wala, okay. Maaari mo ba siyang tulungan, Angeline?
One of that ating objective sir is promote recovery.
Ayan. Thank you, Angeline. So, for your activity, I will post it on Google Classroom. So, you can pass it on Friday. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So, for your assignment, it is the video analysis. On a one whole sheet of paper, I will give you a YouTube link. It is, andyan yan sa baba. So, papanoorin nyo siya at magbibigay kayo ng reflection. Okay ba yon, class?
Yes, sir.
Yan. Thank
Yes
you very
po.
much for listening. So, see you next Friday and have a good day. Thank you. Karil.